my channel and hope you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As it is a street hotel location, there is the nearby attractions and landmarks also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.4. It's the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 5. Category 6. Room category 10. To talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. Guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is good. In case you love to enjoy the surroundings, categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several days and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various payment plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book a directions or hotel are provided in the description. For more details, check description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can contact us by emailing. We will help you. If you have already shared this, share your experience. Thanks for watching the video.